In this video I will show you how to install and use Spotify on your Garmin Vivoactive 5 and Venu 3 watches. So to do that, first you're going to need to go to your music app first and click on that. Then as you see, I don't really have anything here, and we are going to press this lower button on both of the watches. Press and hold it for around 1 second. And then click Music Providers and scroll a bit down and select Add Music Apps. Let it load. By the way, for this process you need Wi-Fi connection. Then select Spotify and click Install. This will take quite a lot of time, usually around 5 minutes, and obviously needs a Wi-Fi network. Let it install. Alright, it's installed, and there's one thing that I want to mention you. To use Spotify on these watches you need a premium subscription, otherwise a free one, it doesn't work with free one. After you click on Spotify, it will open up a Windows on your phone, so go check out your phone, and it will ask you to log in your Spotify account. So let's do it. After logging in, a window like this should appear, and click Get Started. And now we can add music, and this watch can only play music from this internal storage, so you'll need to download all the music files on this watch first before you'll be able to play them. So let's explore this. We can add music obviously first by clicking this, and then we can select various options. So if we click playlists, it will open up all your playlists on your Spotify account. If you don't have Spotify account or just created it just now, go to your phone first and browse it around and add some playlists or stuff like that. And you can click on playlists now. It will take some time. And to download one of these playlists, to be able to listen to them, simply click on it and it will start working. It will take some time to fetch the data, and this will take quite a long time depending on your network performance. After they are done downloading, select the back button and you will see all the music you have here. You can click on the music and we can play here. You can skip tracks. The next one.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken out. Hello,
and if you click these 3 dots, you can adjust volume here.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Okay, to exit again, shuffle options, repeats, and that's it.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
If you go out, it keeps playing obviously in the background, and you can use the watch as normal. To access the music again, you can see in the music menu what it's currently playing, time and stuff. To access, go there, and that's it. This is what the Spotify looks like on these. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.